Very good afternoon, all of you. In the last class, we have discussed that Faraday's laws of electrolysis, first law, Faraday's first law, and Faraday's second law. Now, we are going to discuss about the calculation of gram equivalent weight, gram equivalent volume by passing that 1 Faraday electric charge. So, first we will calculate gram equivalent weight. So what is the gram equivalent weight? The amount of metal deposited. What is that? The amount of metal deposited or discharged by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge. The amount of substance metal deposited by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, that is called gram equivalent weight. So by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, the amount of metal deposited, that is equal to gram equivalent weight. So first we will see that metal valency, so equivalent weight, atomic weight by valency. What is that? Metal valency. Next, equivalent weight, atomic weight by valency. Then we can see the number of moles. So first we will take sodium valency 1, equivalent weight by valency, atomic weight of the sodium 23 by 1, that is equal to 23, that is 1 mole. Yes or no? So 23 grams, that is equal to 1 mole. Suppose if you take the magnesium valency 2, mass of that magnesium 24, so 24 by 2, that is 12, so that is half mole. Yes or no? So actually 24 grams means 1 mole. So equivalent weight, that is atomic weight by valency, that is 12 grams. So this is the equivalent weight. So number of moles, half. Suppose if you take aluminium has the valency 3, so 27 atomic weight by 3, that is 9. Yes or no? That is 1 by 3 moles. Is it clear? I think you can able to understand clearly. Sodium 1 valency, atomic weight 23 by 1, that is equal to 1. Next, magnesium 2, that is 24 by 2, that is equal to 12, half mole. Aluminium 3, 27 by 3, that is 9, 1 by 3 moles. So by seeing this one, we can say by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, 1 gram equivalent, what is that? 1 gram equivalent of sodium, that is 23 grams deposited or 1 mole deposited by passing 1 Faraday. So by passing 1 Faraday of electric charge, 1 gram equivalent of magnesium deposited, that is 12 grams, that is 1 by 2 mole. I think you can able to understand. By passing the 1 Faraday of electric charge, we are getting the 23 grams of sodium, 12 grams of aluminium, and 1 gram equivalent, all are 1 gram equivalent of aluminium, that is weight 9 grams, 1 by 3 mole. I think you can able to understand clearly what I am going to explain. So by passing that 1 Faraday of electric charge, 23 grams or 1 mole of sodium can be deposited, 1 gram equivalent weight of 12 grams of magnesium or half mole. Next, 1 gram equivalent weight of aluminium deposited by passing that 1 Faraday, that is 9 grams, that is equal to 1 by 3 mole. Is it clear? So this is a calculation of gram equivalent weight. This is a calculation of gram equivalent weight.